Hi guys, Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 5, Lesson 10. And in this lesson, we're going to start talking about time. We're going to be talking about being able to understand a clock as a partitioned circle and tell time to the hour. So looking at this time we see a 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So one thing that is very important that we look at in this is the shorthand. This shorthand is called the hour hand. So today we're focusing on the hour. So we know that the 12 is going to give us a 00. It's going to give us a 00. That's when we say o'clock. And we can see that this shorthand, this hour hand, is pointing to the 4. Showing that it is 4, and then that 12, it has that 00. Because that's whenever you just say 4 o'clock. So you know it's O. So you know it's 4 o'clock. Now let's look at another one. Now this one, the shorthand is almost hiding under the longhand. We can, thank goodness, see the shorthand right there. So we know the shorthand goes up and is on the 12. Now we know the 12 for the minutes, which is right here, has that 00. But it's also pointed to 12, so you know it's 12 o'clock. Because you know this says o'clock. So it's 12 o'clock. Alright guys, that's it for this video.